Welcome to my channel. Once in a winter morning, a farmer saw a snake frozen with cold. That farmer was very kind hearted and could not see anybody in helpless condition. He took pity on the snake, put it in a basket, and brought it home. He put it near fire in the kitchen. After snake opened its eyes and moved here and there, the farmer's children were also watching all this with great interest. Suddenly, the snake attacked one of his sons, but he quickly ran away. Seeing all this, the farmer brought a stick and killed it on the spot.